Today we are going to discuss about what? Branches of biology. Very important. Okay, branches of biology. In biology, what are the various type of branches? We have to discuss branches of biology. Okay, the first branch you can call cytology. The word cytology. Okay, cyto means what? Okay, study about what? Study about what? Cell. Okay, study about cell is called cytology. Cyto means what? Cell. Logos means what? Study of cell. Study about cell. Okay, science of cell. Knowledge of cell. What is cell? Cell. In the cytology, what we are discussing? We are discussing about the structure and function of the cells. Okay, how various type of structures of the cell and what are the functions of the cell we have to discuss, we are learn in cytology branch. Cytology is a separate branch. Study of cell is called cytology. In that we are studying about the structure of cell and shape of the cells, various types of cells and functions of the cell. Okay, that is cytology, the first branch of biology. After cytology, next physiology. Physiology. What is physiology? Physiology means what? Especially for different types of body functions and processes. Body functions and processes. Body functions. Study about different type of body functions and processes. Body functions and processes means, okay, for example, physiology is very important for 11th students. Why? Because what, especially in all type of physiology means what? Whatever systems is there, body functions in our body, different various type of physiology is separate topic. In that, excretory system, respiratory system, digestive system, circulatory system, nervous system, we are studying about all systems, how they are functioning, how they are work. Okay, that is we can call what? Physiology. Physiology means what? Study about the body functions and processes of functioning, how processes are going on in animal's body, in human being body, in plant's body. That is we can call physiology. Study about the body functions and processes of the organs, systems like excretory system and digestive system, okay, nervous system. Okay, so many systems we are studying about the various functions, how functions are going on in our body. We are studying in physiology. Physiology is the top subject of what is useful to what? Study of body functions and processes of organ system, various types of organ system, how they work. Okay, next one what? Okay, paleontology. Third one is paleontology. Paleontology. What is the meaning of paleontology? Paleontology means what? Study about what? Fossils. Study about what? Fossil. What is fossil? Which is dug out. Fossil. The meaning of fossil means what? Dug out. We are digging and dug out. Okay. For example, dinosaurs. Nobody not seeing dinosaurs. But when the paleontologist digging, automatically they will observe somewhat skeletal system of the dinosaurs. Nobody not seeing dinosaurs. But how they know? Paleontologists know the shape and size of the dinosaur. Means what? When they are digging, they will get what? They will get what? Especially fossils of the dinosaurs. They observed the skeleton system of the dinosaur. They finally concluded that then this is the shape of dinosaur, this much of length dinosaur. Fossil means what? Which are dug out. That is fossil. Okay, especially paleontology. That means what? Study about fossils is called paleontology. Paleontology is two types. One is paleobotany and second one is paleozoology. Paleobotany means what? Study about fossils of plants. Study about fossils of plants is called, that is paleobotany. Already we learned what is botany. Paleozoology means what? Study about what? Animals. Zoology means what? Study about animals. Study about, okay, fossils of animals. Fossils. Study about fossils of animals. That is paleobotany and paleozoology. After paleobotany and paleozoology, now we are going to discuss about another one, that is, okay, ecology. Next one is next term, ecology. What is ecology? Ecois. Ocois. Okay, ocois means what? What is the meaning of ocois? Ocois means what? Habitat. What is the meaning of habitat? Living place. Living place. Okay, ecology means what? Study about what? Interrelationship between, the word interrelationship between living and non-living things. Living and non-living things. Non-living things. What is interrelation? Interaction, are also called interaction between living and non-living. Living and non-living. In an environment, actually interaction is there. That means what? Without non-living things, living things cannot live. That means what? The indirectly living things are depend upon non-living things. That relationship we have to discuss about. Okay, that relationship chain, food chain. That relationship we are discussing in ecology. Okay, the ecology especially for that means interrelationship between living and non-living things, that is we can call ecology. The ecology especially for eco is the word taken from ecology from eco is, okay, the first ecology, the term ecology used by Ernest Haeckel. In the name of Ernest Haeckel, he coined the name of what? Ecology. Okay, after ecology, next one we are going to discuss about ecosystem. Both are related one only. Ecosystem means what? What is ecosystem? Group of biotic and non-biotic components are abiotic components. Abiotic components. Group of biotic and abiotic components are, okay, eco means, okay, eco is living place. Ecosystem, system means group of biotic and abiotic components we can call ecosystem, or group of what? Living and non-living things. Group of living and non-living things we can call especially ecology, ecosystem. The ecosystem coined by Ernest Haeckel. The scientist name is what? Ernest Haeckel. Ernest Haeckel, the first time he used the term of what? Ecosystem. Okay. And after ecosystem, we have to discuss about what? Okay, entomology. Entomology. What is entomology? Entomology means what? Study about animal behavior. Study about animal behavior. Study about animal behavior. That means how? Study about animal behavior. How it is treats with what? Physiological. How it is animal is behave with what? Physiological, ecological, evolutionary relationship. Okay, that means study about animal behavior. That is called entomology. Entomology study about how animal is behave physiological. That means what? How it is behave with what? Physiological means what? The structures. How it is behave with what? opposite. Ecological, how it is behave with what non-living things and living things and other organisms. And evolutionary, what are the changes occurs in that animals, what are the changes occurs, what are the psychological changes occurs in that. We are discussing in the total anthology. In that anthology we are discussing these concepts. Okay, and last one is what? Now one more is that we have to discuss